Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by gathering what matters: your RBC account number, the branch transit, and the branch address, because the SWIFT can be branch-specific. Once you have those, log into RBC Online Banking and open the International Transfers or Wire Details section. If you prefer phone, call RBC Customer Service and ask for the bank's SWIFT/BIC and whether your branch uses a branch-specific code. Doing this upfront avoids wasted steps and gives you the exact identifiers you'll need. Next, confirm the code and supporting routing data. Once logged in, inspect statements or the wire section for a BIC entry. Banks sometimes list the SWIFT on PDFs. Make sure you understand whether the SWIFT is 8 characters for the head office or 11 if branch-specific, and ask your branch for any 3-character branch suffix. Also request intermediary bank details for specific currency corridors, because some countries require an extra routing bank to complete an incoming wire. Finish by verifying the setup before sending a large amount. You should perform a small test transfer or ask your branch for a written confirmation of the SWIFT and routing details to keep on file. Once done, enter beneficiary name, account number, branch transit, and SWIFT exactly as provided, and confirm remittance instructions. If a transfer is rejected, make sure to obtain written SWIFT confirmation and intermediary routing details from RBC. That evidence speeds resolution and prevents repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.